Attention, this is very important point. One form of energy is converted into another form. Kinetic energy at mean position is converted to potential energy at extreme position. Again, potential energy at mean position, it converted to kinetic energy at mean position, and kinetic energy at mean position is converted into potential energy at extreme position. So remember, the question is asked, at mean position, which energy is maximum? Kinetic energy, because the height is 0 and potential energy is 0, kinetic energy is maximum. At extreme position, gravitational potential energy is maximum and kinetic energy is 0. So this way one form of energy is converted into another form, and this is law of conservation of energy, that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can be converted from one form to another form. So this is conversion of kinetic energy to potential energy. Remember, mean position and extreme position. मीन पोजीशन पे काइनेटिक एनर्जी मैक्सिमम होती है एंड एक्सट्रीम पोजीशन पे ग्रेविटेशनल पोटेंशियल एनर्जी इज मैक्सिमम. लेट्स सी वन मोर एग्जांपल ऑफ सच काइंड ऑफ कन्वर्जन. एग्जांपल ऑफ अ रोलर कोस्टर. You must have seen it and you must have taken the ride also. तो ये रोलर कोस्टर का this way it is the actual arrangement. When it is at height h, this roller coaster at height h, obviously यहाँ पे it is raised to a particular height. When an object is raised to a height, it possesses gravitational potential energy. So GP is maximum at position A, but kinetic energy is 0 at position A. When it is going down, that time, see the height is decreasing. Here, the kinetic and potential energy is slowly converting into kinetic energy, and here the kinetic energy becomes maximum. यहाँ पे kinetic energy क्या होती है? Maximum होती है. Again it rises, that time kinetic energy कम होती है, and when it reaches to this particular height, that time potential energy becomes maximum. काइनेटिक एनर्जी 0 होता है और पोटेंशियल एनर्जी मैक्सिमम होता है. नाउ कंपेयर टू द फर्स्ट हिल, द हाइट ऑफ सेकेंड हिल इज रिड्यूस्ड. ये क्यों? बिकॉज सम ऑफ द मैकेनिकल एनर्जी इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू साउंड एनर्जी एंड हीट एनर्जी ऑल्सो. टू क्लाइम द सेकेंड हिल इट बिकम्स डिफिकल्ट, क्योंकि यहाँ पे एनर्जी सिर्फ काइनेटिक और पोटेंशियल में नहीं कन्वर्ट होती है. कुछ फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू sound energy by the roller coaster and the heat energy also. So it becomes difficult to climb the second hill. Therefore, the height of the second hill is made less. So this way, at position A, it has gravitational potential energy maximum and kinetic energy 0. At position B, kinetic energy is increased and potential energy decreases slowly. And at position C, kinetic energy is maximum and potential energy is 0. So this way one form of energy is converted into another form. There is the conversion of energy. The other example is hydroelectric plant. So what is that? Let's see. So that hydroelectric plant is constructed on a dam. Dam is the place where we store water. The water is stored in dams. The rainwater is stored in dams for long period of time. This dam's stored water, when it is falling into the dam, that time it possesses kinetic energy. When this rainwater falls into dam, that time that water is stored into dam, and that stored water has potential energy. So stored energy is which energy? Potential energy. When this stored water is allowed to fall from high level, that time this potential energy of this stored water is converted due to the falling of it from a high height. The potential energy is converted to kinetic energy. This kinetic energy, तो देखो ये डैम है फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इसमें स्टोर्ड वाटर है. दिस वाटर इज अलाउड टू फॉल फ्रॉम हाइट, देन फॉर दिस स्टोर्ड वाटर का पोटेंशियल एनर्जी इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू काइनेटिक एनर्जी. When this water falls from height, यहाँ पे ना जनरेटर्स टर्बाइन्स होते हैं. ओके, देर आर टर्बाइन्स. Turbines are the moving wheels. You must have seen this kind of turbines. So when the water falls on these turbines, the kinetic energy, due to the kinetic energy of the turbines rotate. These turbines, they are fitted with the generator. So rotates the kinetic energy of flowing water, it rotates the turbines. This turbine, when they are moving, the kinetic energy is converted to mechanical energy. Due to the movement of this water turbines, the generator are connected to shafts, and these shafts help to produce electrical energy. This electrical energy is then carried to homes, factories, shops, etc. Here in homes, factories or shops, this electrical energy is converted into different forms of energy. जैसे heat energy in oven, heater, then light energy, sound energy in bell and all. So one form of energy is converted into another form. Here once again, in hydroelectric power plants, dam has stored water. This stored water has potential energy. When this water is allowed to fall from height, it converts potential energy to kinetic energy. Due to the kinetic energy, the turbines which are connected to the generator, they move. These turbines, when they move, they possess mechanical energy. The moving turbines' mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy by the generators which are connected to turbine. These electrical energy is then carried to home, factories and shops, and then from there it is converted into different forms of energy like heat energy, light energy, sound energy, etc. So one type of energy is converted into another form in the hydroelectric power plant also. And this is law of conservation of energy, that energy is neither created nor destroyed, but it is converted from one form to another form. So for now, we will stop here, read the lesson and solve the assignment and Google test. Thank you.